Primary versus secondary sources. In research activities, a primary source refers to information collected firsthand from sources such as historical documents, literary texts, diaries, newspapers, and original research. Primary sources, or primary research, in the sciences are original research studies usually found in published articles that include hypotheses, experiments, analyses, data, and a conclusion. Primary data is very different than a secondary source. The Library of Congress defines primary sources as actual records that have survived from the past, such as letters, photographs, or articles of clothing. This is in contrast to secondary sources, which are accounts of the past created by people writing about events sometime after they have happened. Primary research can be found in all scientific fields, including the health sciences, psychology, chemistry, physics, biology, and the like. Examples of secondary sources include biographies, newspapers, reviews, textbooks, and encyclopedia articles. To learn more and find additional examples, explore the Macdonald-Kelce Library's Primary Sources Resource Guide. You can find this at http://libguides.utopia.ut.edu/primary sources. Reference librarians are your guides to the library and, more broadly, the world of information. We can help you get the most out of the library's holdings and demonstrate effective ways to use the many databases at your disposal. You can reach the reference desk at area code 813-257-3057. Please see our website for reference hours.